IPFire versus OPNsense versus pfSense. Which open source firewall platform is right for your home lab or small network? All three give you enterprise grade features without the price tag, but they differ in ease of use, performance, and community support. So let's dive in. So let's go ahead and start with IPFire. So IPFire is a Linux-based firewall distro designed for simplicity and security. You install on hardware or a VM, then manage your network through a clean web interface. Let's talk about the pros. So it is lightweight, low resource footprint, simple core updates for easy patching, integrated intrusion detection with Snort Suricata, built-in proxy and catching Squid. Now, there are some drawbacks. So it's less polished GUI than alternatives, fewer enterprise integrations, and a smaller plugin ecosystem. Now, this is best for DIYers and home labs that need a lean, secure firewall with basic proxy and IDS features. What is OPNsense? So this is a free BSD based firewall and routing platform forked from pfSense. It focuses on modern design, frequent releases, and robust plugins. Pros: modern responsive web GUI, rich plugin library, so VPN reporting proxy, hardened code with regular security audits, built-in traffic shaping, and high availability. There are some drawbacks: slightly higher resources needed, plugins can sometimes conflict, and learning curve for advanced features. Now, this is best for small businesses and enthusiasts who want a feature-rich, well-maintained file with strong community support. pfSense is the veteran in open source firewall software, also built on free BSD. It's known for stability, extensive documentation, and a large ecosystem. Pros: mature, battle-tested platform, vast selection of packages, Sorica, Snort, OpenVPN, etc. Excellent documentation and community forums. Commercial support available via Netgate. Cons: web UI feels dated compared to OPNsense. Enterprise features, often behind paid offerings, can require more manual configuration. Now, this is best for users who need a proven, highly flexible file with long-term stability and commercial support options. So go for IPFire if you need a light, secure, easy to maintain file for home or small lab. OPNsense if you want a modern UI, frequent updates, and plenty of plugins. Or go for pfSense if you require a mature enterprise grade solution with extensive community and commercial backing.